Hi QTP cutie, welcome to the Queer Trans Project's quick tutorial on how to create an affirming look with our makeup bundle. For this tutorial, you'll need the eyeshadow, lipstick, and lashes from your bundle, plus your favorite concealer, chapstick, eyelash glue, mascara, and makeup brushes. A makeup sponge, Q-tips, and tweezers are optional but super helpful. First, swatch your eyeshadow palette on your wrist or inner arm. Lightly tap or rub a shade, then swipe it on your skin so you can see the color payoff and choose what feels like you. Prep your eyelids with a thin layer of concealer. This helps the shadows show up brighter and last longer. Next, pick a brush or a Q-tip. Tap into your first shade and sweep it across your lid. Build slowly. If you want more dimension, choose a slightly darker shade and blend it in the outer corner and crease in a soft half-moon shape. Blend a little at a time for a smooth finish. On to lips. Start with chapstick if your lips feel dry. Apply the liquid lipstick by tracing your natural lip line and filling in. If you like extra definition, you can use a lip liner or even softly dust a deeper eyeshadow shade around the edges to add depth. We picked a red that's designed to flatter every skin tone. Next is mascara. With your eyes open and looking slightly up, brush your top lashes upward in a gentle swoop. Then, add a light swipe to the bottom lashes for extra pop. Now for lashes. Carefully remove them from the tray by peeling from the outer edge. Apply a thin line of lash glue along the band and wait about 20 to 30 seconds until it gets tacky. Place the lash as close to your natural lash line as possible, then press it in with your fingers or tweezers. Gently pinch the lash band and your natural lashes together to secure. If you want, go back in with a little eyeshadow along the lash line to help everything blend. And that's it. Makeup is art, so take your time and play around. Be patient with yourself. Got tips or questions? Drop them in the comments. And check out our other tutorials on how to use breast forms, tuck, and more. See you soon, cutie!